What is up, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Recover Fun Mini.
So do you want me to? So do you want me to?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Leslie and I love doing product reviews. I'm going to be doing a review on the Recover Fun massage gun, and it's the product I didn't know I needed until I got it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you really love this video, and also hit the notification bell so that way you can see all the crazy reviews that I do. And if you really love it, go ahead and comment below. And if you have anything educational for me, because I'm new to massage guns, maybe there's something that you know that I don't know, and I would love to hear that from you, okay? So for those who have never been here or have never seen me, you wouldn't know that I really do go to the gym a lot. I am a plus size person, so even though I am plus size and I do plus size clothing hauls and stuff like that, I do work out at the gym. I actually work at a gym, so I'm on my own little personal fitness journey. Especially during quarantine, I had a difficult time because I gained so much weight because we weren't really able to go to the gym and I was lazy. So now I have a lot of aches and pains. I actually have a lot more aches and pains now than I ever had, and I don't know if it's because I am getting older, but this was just really random. Like, I had no idea that I was going to be receiving this, and I had no idea what people used these guns for, the massage guns. So I just was like, all right, like, let's see. I'm excited. Like I said, I don't have any prior experience with massage guns. This would be like my first one. I've never thought I needed one. I never knew I needed one. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I actually have opened it and tried it because I feel like I couldn't give you a full review without trying it first for a little bit to see if it actually helps me. And guys, this had to be the best gift I've ever received. The best. Alright, so let me go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like. Alright, it tells you all the stuff that's in it. It comes with 5 hours of usage time because it is rechargeable. Thumbs up on the rechargeable. It tells me the battery type. I don't know why it tells me the battery type when it's rechargeable. It does say it's lightweight, and it comes with all of these little things, which I'm going to show you anyway. So let's open it. It also says in the left hand corner that it has a 1-year warranty. So I would also inquire on how to, you know, sign up for your warranty, because sometimes these warranties you have to sign up for. So let me get it out. I already ripped the box trying to get it out. Oh, all right. So it has a box inside of a box. All right, first things first. The manual. User manual, guys. You really should read this. I'm one of those people who is partial to reading it to you guys because y'all really just be lazy and I don't be reading instructions to things, but that's just a me thing. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Just make sure that you read the disclaimers. You know, it does say something about if you're pregnant, consult with your doctor if you have heart-related issues. So I really would suggest making sure that you read the manual. Make sure you're doing everything right, okay? So it also comes with the traveler bag, which I love. Anything that comes with a bag, I love. Packaging is everything. If it comes with more than what I ordered, I'm happy, right? So it's cute. It's a cute little, it literally says Recover Fun Mini. And the best part is that, guys, this thing is literally pink. Let me show you what it looks like in the box. It comes like this. So this is the actual massage gun. You see how small it is? Look, compared to my hand, super small. And I have small hands. This is one of the pieces that attach. This is the ball. This is, I don't know, see, I'm not very familiar with like massage guns, but these are probably best for different muscles, right? So I definitely would research that. This is another little one that gets on there, just probably to get really deep into certain muscles. And then this is the little USB port that came with it. So let's take it out. All right, so massage guns can go anywhere from $30 to like $400-500. So the fact that this one is only $75 is amazing. And the $30 ones are not gonna do the same as $400 ones. Trust me, it's not. Like, even if you go to the mall and you look at guns or massagers, they're expensive. They're like 80, 100, 200. Even for other purposes, any type of massagers, they are expensive, you know? So this is what it looks like. It's pink. The one thing I did notice is that some of the stuff from the box got on there. It's a little sticky. So you just all you have to do is wipe it off. It has a little bit of marks on it from like the black stuff from the box, but that's not something you can't just wipe off. The power button is here. You see that? And it has 4 modes, and that's also where you charge it. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you can see. Actually, I'm gonna put a piece in first. So the first piece I'm gonna use is this piece. It's just a flat head. It's super easy to put together. You just put it in there. Literally, you just push it in. You don't have to twist it or anything. You just put it in. And then you press on this button, you hold it down, it lights up, and it starts going. So this is mode 1, guys. So when I first put this on my body, I literally was shocked with how powerful it was. I wasn't expecting, like you can even hear on my nail, the power. I was not expecting that, guys. I honestly was not expecting that at all. And I actually went to the gym and I worked out my arm. So my first instinct was to just put it on my shoulder. And I was like, oh my God. It was just so much more powerful than I thought it was gonna be. And it feels so freaking good. Literally, can you see my arm fat jiggling? I don't know if you can see it. Yep, you can see it right there. You see it jiggling? So it is a strong massage gun, and that's only level 1. And for me, I feel like this is such a great beginner massage gun for someone like me who's never really experienced a massage gun. It's crazy. Oh, and it's on my leg. It feels so good. All right. So you're going to go to level 2 by clicking on the button. As you can see, it went a little bit faster. I'll put it on my arm again so you can see. Oh my God, the power. You see? It's crazy. You see that? So it's very powerful. Oh, it feels so good though. I love this. I love this so much. And you could do it to yourself. It feels so good. But I can't really get to my upper back. I can only kind of get to my lower back. All right, so let's go to level 3. All right. You see how like fast it's going? Oh my God. Put it on my arm again so you can kind of see. Oh, the power. Do you see that? My whole arm is shaking through my fat. Oh man. And that one is like, oh, it feels so good though. That one's really strong. Like I feel like I'm a level 1 person because I'm a little tender. So if you're someone like me who has to get like only Swedish massages, like I don't even like deep tissue massages, level 1 is it for me. But I think I could work my way up. All right, let's do the last one. Oh, it's going so fast that it looks slow. You see that? See how fast it's going? Let's put it on my arm. Ah! Again, you see that? It hurts. I don't like that one. It's just too much. So obviously you can use it on your back, your legs. I always get sore on my legs. I do a lot of squats. I'm literally doing it on my leg right now. And I feel like you could do it sitting down. And I actually always have really sore feet and I never have anybody to massage them, unfortunately. So, and oh my God, look at this. You could hear the difference in the speed in my nail. Oh my God. So I use it on my feet a lot. It's something that I notice myself doing and it feels good. It feels good to, you know, put it on my feet and just get the tension out. So let's stop this. The way to stop it is you just hold down the button and let's put on the other tools. And the cool thing, guys, is that I haven't used any of the other tools. I just, you know, wanted to see a little bit. So let's see. This tool I'm the most afraid of. So I'm gonna put it in because it's smallest. Usually the smaller things are, more narrow things are, the more it's gonna hurt. That scares me. That was weird. Putting it in was weird. Take it out. So weird. Putting that one in was really weird. So let's turn it on. All right. So that one is probably gonna actually hit and really get deep in to certain muscles. So like, you know how you have a lot of tension in certain areas of your back? I feel like that's what this one's gonna do. If you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend, they could do your back for you, but I'm gonna do it on my leg so you can kind of see. Oh, yeah, that one's this one's a little bit more like focal, like it's a very focused massage, like to get into like those deep areas. Oh yeah, like I'm right here under my gluteus maximus, and that hurts. So if you have like a knot or something, obviously you don't want to do anything. If you injured yourself, go to your doctor, but that feels good for certain things. Like I feel like if I was sore, like I'm right underneath my cheek there, and it feels really good. So yeah, I feel like if you have certain like knots and stuff, like sometimes you get really sore on your quads, and if you take this and like want to like really point out that area, that's good. And I wouldn't even move it around. I would just leave it there in one area, not really moving it around very much. Ow. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that one. I'm putting it on my leg. I really don't like that one at all, guys. It's too much for me. I couldn't even use this on my arm. I'm like such a baby. But do you see how powerful it is? Yeah, it's a powerful massager for $75, and it's really good. All right, there's this big round ball. This one's like a microphone, like it's soft. I probably like this one because it's soft, and I'm like I'm such a girly girl. Yeah, this one's it. I'm a girly girl, and this one feels more like a Swedish massage. I feel very comfortable. Yep, this one's the one for me. It's soft. It fell right off. Maybe I didn't put it in all the way. This one fell right off though, so I don't know. All right, yeah, I kind of didn't put it in all the way because when I did it that time, it stayed. Yeah, I definitely didn't have it in all the way. But if you want to see, I like to show you guys my arm fat. Thank God I have arm fat so you guys can see the power of this thing. Level 1 is not really doing much. But let me put it on my legs. Yeah, this is the one I probably will use the most because it's so comfortable. It feels like a massage. It feels like a regular, like, clean massage. I don't feel uncomfortable at all. It's not too rough, so if you're like me and you like tender touches, this is it. This one's it. It's soft. Nah, my mom likes rough massages, so it's not because I'm a chick. She's a chick and she loves that stuff. All right, this is the fastest one. Ooh, you see my hand? All right. That is literally crazy. That's nuts. So yeah, let's put it on my arm. Oh, I like this one because it doesn't hurt. It's soft. It really is soft. So like I said, if you're more into, you know, a softer touch, I've been doing this leg so much, I'm gonna go to the other leg. Oh yeah, it feels so good. And supposedly this is good for circulation. Not exactly sure what this one's for. Not sure, but we'll use it and see how it goes. It's a little bit confusing for me because it has the two things. I don't know. I think that's something you would want to research to see like what muscle does better with each tool. But for $75 for it to come with like each tool is kind of good. That one hurts. I don't like this one. Yeah, no, that one's not for me. Ow, that hurts. Nope, not it. But that's why you want to do it to your level. You don't want to like go ham, you know, using this thing and then you're using the fastest setting and it hurts. So do what is more comfortable for you. It's supposed to relieve tension, not make you even more stressed out, right? But let me tell you guys, I've been having the best sleep of my life. I've been doing this almost every day before I go to bed. And boy, oh boy, I'm literally obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with this thing. I literally be in the living room. My sister's like, what are you doing? And I'm literally just like all over my body. So again, this is the Recover Fun mini massage gun. And like I said, it's super small, super cute. I literally love that. I love how cute it is. And if you are new to massage guns and you're not like, I mean, I feel like this is good for people who play sports too. I don't see why you would have to spend so much on a massage gun when this one works really, really nice. So if you are looking into investing in one, I would totally suggest this one, right? It works really strong. It's nice. It's cute. And they have different colors, not just pink. They have like a black one, I believe. So you could pick the color that you want. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was very different outside of the realm of things that I usually do. And thank you guys. Well, and I also want to thank Recover Fun for sending me the product and giving me the opportunity to share it with you guys, because I never knew that I needed a massage gun until I received it. I was like, why haven't I bought this a long time ago? So thank you again. And I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.